Ooh-wee, I'm all pepped up on PEZ candy and PEZ dispensers. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy, here on the PEZBook channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, let's check them out. One is a 3.9 made in Austria. The other, 4.9 made in Czech Republic. I really do like these Czech Republic. Not Czechoslovakia, but Czech Republic. Reverse IMCs, which means they are on the other side. We have an 8, and we have that's 7. There we go. A7, the Czech Republic factory. The one that took over from that cool IMC7 out in Hong Kong. I really like that one. But the reason I'm showing you these two different dispensers is the one with the eyelashes here. The printing is different than the eyelashes here. Made at 2 different factories in 2 different countries at 2 different times during 2 different runs. That gets you 2 different PEZ dispensers. Here are the variations, and this is what they look like. It's really hard to see it, but she's got some eyelashes there. These are found on, again, the 3.9 Austria. So there's another variation for you to add to your collection. And now you can see it, not just read about it. Because that's what we're out about here at the PEZBook. Video information. Video information. So until next time, she's looking so good.